All right, guys, so what we've got here is the Saker Contour Gauge, and this really helps you with going around different shapes, odd areas in your house, especially when you're doing things like trim and flooring. So a couple nice features about this contour gauge are the ruler on the top and bottom, and you've got metric and imperial on there. A really nice latch lock on the side, really easy to use, and an adjustable tension. So if you need to make it tighter or more loose, you can do that. So you'll see this moves a little bit, so I can up the tension if I need to make it tighter. Nice and easy to reset. Just find a flat surface, push it down. Nice and easy. It's also very hefty. It's got a little bit of weight. Doesn't feel like it's super cheap or gonna break easily. We're just gonna push it right into the wall, lock it in place. All right, so we've got our shape here. I'm gonna go ahead and trace it onto our board just with a pencil. And to make this cut, you could really use a number of different tools. We're gonna be using a jigsaw here, but you could use a bandsaw, you could use a coping saw. There's all different types of options. The jigsaw is just nice and easy for quick cuts. He slides in here nice and easy, fits that trim perfectly.